Good morning, students. Today we'll continue with our chapter. In that we'll do the topic lens formula. What is lens formula? It's the relation among distance of the object and the distance of the image and the focal length of a lens is called as lens equation or the lens formula. It will be denoted by 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. There, where you can say f is the focal length of the lens, v is the distance of the image from the optical center, and u is the distance of the object from the optical center. While deriving the formula, always sign convention should be followed. Okay, that you know that we have discussed in the earlier video about the sign convection. So this formula is used for both convex and the concave mirror, but the sign convection will be followed. Okay, and if you remember, for this convex lens and the concave lens, both it was different. Like u, v, this was if you remember, u was negative for both, v was positive for both, but focal length was positive for the convex lens and negative for the concave lens, and optical center was same for both, positive only. So like that, the major difference came in the focal length only, that focal length was different. Focal length was positive for the case of the convex lens and negative for the case of the concave lens. And this is what the lens formula, that is 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, where you can simply say that f is the focal length and v is the distance of the image from the optical center and u is the distance of the object from the optical center. Okay. Next, we'll discuss the magnification. Magnification. The magnification produced by the lens is what exactly similar to the spherical mirror, and it is defined as the ratio of the height of the image and the height of the object, because always the ratio of the height of the image and the height of the object is taken. So it is represented by the letter m, means magnification will be represented by the letter m. Okay, so it has the height of the object, and we can say that h dash and is the height of the image given by the lens. Then the magnification produced by the lens we can denote by, means like height of the image will denote by the h dash and height of the object by simple h. Okay, so it will come h dash upon h. Okay, so where you can say that h dash is equals to the height of the image. And h, simply we can say that h is the height of the object. So that is how we can get the magnification. So magnification produced by the lens is always, means we can say that always it is related to the object distance and the image distance. So this relationship we can give by m is equals to h dash upon h. Like that we can give it m is equals to v upon u. Okay, both can be used. It depends upon that in the numerical which is given. Okay, suppose if we say that in the numerical they are considering the distance or distance of the object they are considering, or the distance of the image is considering, or they are saying that the height of the image or the height of the object, whatever it is given, on that basis we'll use the formula. So it will be both. Magnification M. This is magnification M, which is denoted by the M. Magnification will be denoted by the M, and the height of the image will be H dash, and the height of the object will be H, and like that it can be V upon U also, because magnification produced by the lens is also related to the object distance, that is U, and the image distance, that is V. Okay, so that is what your magnification.